I am Ansal Jandibes, and this is my refutation about the statement of President Duterte in the midst of prioritization of vaccination in the country. First, it was very essential to our new modern heroes that our frontliners to give them first shot of COVID-19 vaccines. They are usually the main exposure of the virus environment. Healthcare workers are the ones like medical frontliners, the doctors and nurses and staffs, health workers who strive and dive the increasing cases of virus infecting many patients. So, what's wrong with those statements? I have seen some situations about those vaccination plans in the country and prioritization. According to Department of Health, following reports of non-medical frontliners jumping the prioritization line and being vaccinated for COVID-19 vaccines. The DOH and the National Task Force Against Covid-19 or NTF jointly reiterated that the call to strictly follow the approved prioritization framework plan according to the National COVID-19 Vaccine Deployment Plan and assured that the public for the national government is exerting all of its effort to secure enough vaccines to vaccinate all Filipinos. The Department of Health and NTF further emphasize that given the limited supplies of vaccines, all currently available doses are allocated for and should be first given to the medical frontliners, healthcare workers who have the highest exposure to COVID-19 and are most at risk of contracting the disease. Recent reports of non-healthcare workers are being inoculated and have been already referred to the DILG. We once again and the government emphasize that due to the limited number of vaccines, they should reserve those doses for our healthcare workers on whom we rely to maintain our most critical health services, said by Francisco T. Duque, Health Secretary. The DOH and NTF also echoed the pronouncement of President Rodrigo Duterte that individuals verified to have skipped the line run the risk of incurring legal sanctions, and likewise warn officials and individuals against receiving vaccines ahead of their turn. With the public apparent eagerness and demand for COVID-19 vaccines, the DOH and NTF assured that the vaccine cluster, together with the rest of Philippine government, is relentless in its pursuit to secure enough vaccine doses in order to carry out the directive of the President to vaccinate all Filipinos. Hence, there are many faults upon releasing the vaccines of healthcare workers, and some may degrade the vaccination plans and prioritize themselves and how they are hypocrite. Rest assured, we must trust our president in all his ways and obedience of his plans because he gave his best for all the Filipinos, and it must be well followed by all the Filipinos follow the health protocols and laws implemented by the government. As of now, the cases of our country were increasing as we are top spot last days with 1 million of cases since the pandemic began. Citizen, all Filipinos must unite for the best of the country and for our health. Discipline began on our self and it must be applied and always aware and keep safe. Remember, as we follow health protocols, we are also helping to stop the spreading of coronavirus or COVID-19. We can save lives and we can help our healthcare workers together with trust of our government. Thank you and God bless. Keep safe.